Hello, everyone. It is your girl, Linda Sims of Let's Mess It Up Soul Line Dancing of New Orleans, Louisiana, and I am here to present the line dance, We're Outside. The song is Finally Outside. The artist is Roy Chip Anthony featuring Jeter Jones, and the choreography is ALICIA Williams. If you or someone you know is interested in cardio line dancing classes in the New Orleans area, please call 504-251-0674. As a friendly reminder, if you're interested in the step-by-step instruction for this dance, I'll post it at the end of this video. And let's go. go. Finally outside. And I hope you leave me a comment and share this video. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.